Hello friends, in this video let us learn few more basics of trigonometry. Suppose we have sine 90 minus theta. For this what we are supposed to write? Remember, whenever here we have angle odd multiple of 90, we get 90 when we multiply 90 by 1. 90 is odd multiple of 90. 90 means pi by 2. Therefore, we are supposed to change the ratio sine to cos, cos to sine, sec to cosec, cosec to sec, tan to cot, and cot to tan. This will be cos theta, cos theta. Then cos 90 minus theta, it is sine theta. Then tan 90 minus theta, it is cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta, it is tan theta. Then cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, and sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Now question is about sign, whether to put plus sign or minus sign. That will be decided depending upon the quadrant. Whenever we subtract something from 90, we will land in first quadrant, and in first quadrant all the ratios are positive. We have to see the original ratios, not these modified ratios. We have to see the sign of original ratios in respective quadrants. Therefore, here all will be plus, all will be plus. Now, if you add something to 90, then what will happen? Plus, 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 plus. Now, 90 plus something means we will land in second quadrant, and in second quadrant only sine and cosec are positive and remaining four ratios are negative. Therefore, this will be plus cos theta, and this is plus sec theta, and remaining ratios will be negative. Remaining ratios will be negative. Like this, whenever we have sine of 270 minus theta, then as this is 270 is odd multiple of 90, that is 3 into 90. We get 270 when we multiply 90 by 3. This is odd multiple, 270 is odd multiple of 90. Therefore, here definitely we are supposed to change the ratio sine to cos. This will be cos theta. Cos of 270 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Then tan of 270 minus theta, it will be cot theta. Cot of 270 minus theta equal to tan theta. Then sec of 270 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec of 270 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Now let us decide the sign. Whenever we subtract something from 270 minus theta means we are subtracting something from 270, then we will land in third quadrant. 270 minus something is third quadrant. Therefore, in third quadrant, as per ASTC rule, all silver tea cups, first quadrant all positive, second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, third quadrant tan and cot are positive. Therefore, this will be positive. Tan of 270 minus theta is plus cos theta, cot theta, and cot of 270 minus theta is plus tan theta, and remaining four ratios will be negative. Tan and cot are positive in third quadrant. Now let's talk about 180 angle. Let's talk about 180 angle. Suppose we have sine of 180 minus something. What we are supposed to write here? See, 180, this angle is even multiple of pi by 2. Pi by 2 radian means 90 degree. This is even multiple of 90. We get 180 when we multiply 90 by 2. This is even multiple. Therefore, here we need not to change the ratio. Sine will be sine only. Sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. Cos 180 minus theta will be cos theta only. Then tan 180 minus theta is tan theta. Cot 180 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Then sec 180 minus theta is equal to sec theta, and cosec 180 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Now 180 minus something means second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive and cosec is positive, and remaining ratios will be negative. Similarly, whenever we have sine of 180 plus theta, then here again we need not to change ratio. Sine theta will remain sine theta, cos theta will remain cos theta, tan of 180 plus theta is equal to tan theta, cot of 180 plus theta is equal to cot theta, sec of 180 plus theta is equal to sec theta, and cosec of 180 plus theta is equal to cosec theta. Now let's decide sine. 180 plus something means we will fall in third quadrant, and in third quadrant tan and cot are positive. Therefore, tan 180 plus theta is plus tan theta, and cot 180 plus theta is plus cot theta, and remaining ratios will be negative. Now let's talk about 270 plus theta. The sine of 270 plus theta is equal to what we are supposed to write. As here we have odd multiple of 90, we get 270 when we multiply 90 by 3. 270 is odd multiple of 90. Therefore, here we are supposed to change the ratio, sine to cos and cos to sine. Cos of 270 plus theta, it will be sine theta. Then tan of 270 plus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot of 270 plus theta is equal to tan theta. Sec of 270 plus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec of 270 plus theta is equal to sec theta. Now the question is of plus or minus sign. How to decide? Now 270 plus something, we are adding something to 270 means we will fall in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant all silver cups means cos and sec are positive. Therefore, cos of 270 plus theta is plus sine theta, and sec 270 plus theta is equal to plus cosec theta, and remaining ratios will be negative. Now let's talk about 360. 360 minus something or 360 plus something. Okay. Suppose we have sine of 360 minus something, that is theta. What we are supposed to write? Here we need not to change the ratio. Sine will remain sine only, because 360 is even multiple of 90. We get 360 when we multiply 90 by 4. 360 is even multiple of 90. Therefore, we did not to change the ratio. Cos of 360 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Tan of 360 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cot of 360 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Then cosec of 360 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and sec of 360 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Now question is of whether to put plus or minus sign. We are subtracting something from 360, means we will fall or land in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant all silver tea cups cos and sec are positive. Therefore cos 360 minus theta is plus cos theta, and sec 360 minus theta is plus sec theta, and remaining ratios will be negative. Now let's talk about 360 plus something. What will happen? Let's remove the sign. Now 360 plus something, we will land in first quadrant, and in first quadrant all are positive. Did not to put any sign, nothing is written means there is positive sign. 360 plus something means first quadrant, and in first quadrant all the ratios, we have to see the sign of original ratios will be positive, and we have to put that sign here. In this way we have learned 48 small formulae, very basic thing which is very important. That is sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, like this, all 6 ratios. Then sin 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta, tan 90 plus theta, again 6 ratios. With reference to 90, 12 formulae. Similarly with reference to 180 minus something, 180 plus something, 12 again, 12 plus 12, 24. Then 270 minus something, 6 ratios, 270 plus something, 12, 6 plus 6, 12, again 12 plus 12 plus 12, 36, and at the end 360 minus something, 6 ratios, 360 plus something, 6 ratios, 12 more ratios, then 36 plus 12, in total 48 formulae. We should not take any burden, because it's difficult to remember all these things, but if we remember only trick, then it is very easy to write the 48 formulae. I hope you must have understood this small concept. We will meet again in the next video with another concept or problem. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching.